This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 24 VP is a Class C RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features a Fashion Gray and Cali interior, sleeps 5. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 24 VP is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.